Investing in exchange-traded funds or ETFs can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and achieve your financial goals. To get started, you will need to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. This will give you access to a trading platform where you can buy and sell ETFs. First, research and choose the ETF you want to invest in. Look for funds that track a specific index, sector, or asset class that aligns with your investment objectives. Consider factors such as fees, performance, and holdings to make an informed decision. Once you have selected an ETF, log into your brokerage account and navigate to the trading platform. Enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy and select the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a specific price at which you want to buy the ETF, known as a limit order. When you are ready to place your order, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the ETF symbol, number of shares, and price. Then submit your order. Your broker will execute the trade and the ETF will be added to your portfolio. It is essential to have a long-term perspective when investing in ETFs. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on your overall investment strategy and stick to your plan. To minimize costs, consider investing in ETFs with low fees and avoid frequent buying and selling. Dollar cost averaging can also help reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. Finally, monitor your ETF portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment objectives. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain an optimal asset allocation. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively invest in ETFs and work towards achieving your financial goals.